Early childhood development is the key to full and productive lives for children and to the progress of a nation. Early childhood is a critical stage of development that forms the foundations for children's futures, well-being, and learning. Specifically by age 7 or 8, children will have grasped all the main aspects of how money works and formed the core behaviors which they take into adulthood and which will affect financial decisions they make during the rest of their lives. So now, welcome to a video presentation on the revolutionary LifeHub Learning Center, an education technology that's poised to change the way millions of children learn financial, entrepreneurship, and life management skills. The LifeHub Learning Center is the world's most advanced youth financial and entrepreneurship education technology. It's the first home-based, all-in-one computer system specifically designed to teach children aged 3 to 14 money management, entrepreneurship, and life management skills by empowering them to manage real monetary assets and businesses on a daily and consistent basis, where they can form positive behaviors, learn by failing in a safe environment, and then succeed. Forming positive money behaviors at a young age is critical to a child's success later in life. And the LifeHub is a purpose-built technology designed for positive behavior formation. The LifeHub is based on 3 key principles. First, it's a technology designed to engage children as young as age 3 so that positive behaviors can be ingrained by their teen years. Second, positive money habits are best formed by managing real money every day at home using advanced hands-on technology, because these life skills are best taught, nurtured, and continually reinforced at home. And third, the engagement and learning are individualized, frictionless, age-appropriate, and fun. So children are learning the right skills at the right age in an effortless and enjoyable way. With financial education, daily and consistent engagement is crucial. So the LifeHub encourages children to engage frequently in 5 effective ways. First, the system is always on and ready to use. So children deposit money in an instant without needing to first power up and log on. This is especially crucial for younger children since frictionless operation and ease of use are key to repeated engagement. Second, the LifeHub is built for up to 4 users, so when younger children see their older siblings using it, they will want to use it often too. That's called peer-induced motivation, and it is crucial for inspiring long-lasting engagement with young children. Its shared and multi-user capability also inspires healthy competition amongst siblings, which is equally as beneficial. Third, it's about visual stimulation, and like Sesame Street, the LifeHub uses humor to engage and captivate young children by displaying humorous animations when they deposit money and play educational games. This causes them to associate depositing money with laughter and amusement, making them want to come back and make deposits often. The colored lights inside the money chambers illuminate in bright and entertaining sequence with each money deposit, making the engagement even more captivating and fun. Fourth, the brightly colored translucent money chambers means children can see that pile of money grow every day. And when they see their money chambers filling up, that motivates them to keep looking for more ways to earn, to fill it up and haul off that cash to their bank. It all becomes habitual. And finally, the attractive design and bright colors of the LifeHub make it a prominent visual centerpiece, having its own gravitational pull within the household. Let's now go ahead and dive right into the LifeHub software and its powerful ecosystem of 23 financial, entrepreneurship, and life management modules and see how each one works. And it all begins with the start screen. As we said earlier, the LifeHub is always on and ready to use. But when it's not in use and in standby mode, the LifeHub displays the start screen, which shows the images of the 4 children and mom, who are all registered users as we see here. The LifeHub displays the LifeHub's ecosystem of financial, business, and life management modules. The LifeHub's entire ecosystem of 23 primary modules includes deposit, withdraw, banking, investments, shopping, charities, chores, jobs, business, barter, school, join, hub funding, advisor, goals, HubWorks, rewards, games, my life, media, Life Academy, talk and reports. So let's start with the first 2 modules, which are deposit and withdraw, since they're at the heart of the system. The LifeHub's first module on its ecosystem of modules is deposit. So the Life Hub's central purpose is to engage young children with real money and finances on a daily and consistent basis, so that by their teenage years they will have formed positive money behaviors, preparing them to transact their lives responsibly with invisible money on mobile technology. Here we see the deposit module on the Life Hub, which enables children to deposit and manage real money every day. The Life Hub's third module is banking. The Life Hub's banking module enables children to learn about banking by opening and managing real bank accounts using digital checkbooks in an easy and efficient way. The Life Hub's fourth module is investments. The Life Hub's investment module first teaches children the mechanics of investing, the buying and selling of stocks, and then empowers them to invest real money in their favorite companies using easy-to-use tools and utilities. The Life Hub's fifth module is shopping. The shopping module allows children to shop with their favorite retailers and consume responsibly using a suite of tools that empower them to set a shopping goal, save, and then allocate money towards shopping, thereby controlling and delaying instant gratification. The Life Hub's sixth module is charities. The Life Hub's Charities is a powerful module that enables children to save, allocate, and donate cash and unwanted items to their favorite charities with just a few clicks. The Life Hub's seventh module is chores. Giving a child a specific job or a specific area in the house to look after will help them learn how to be responsible later in life, a skill, again, they will need to enable them to get through life more easily. The Life Hub integrates a collection of tools that enable parents to create and assign chores to their children using the Life Hub mobile app at home, on the go, or at work. Children receive and perform those chore assignments and then register their completion right on their Life Hubs. The Life Hub's ninth module is business. With the Life Hub, there is no pretend business. Children start, manage, and grow real money-generating businesses. Developing and having business and entrepreneurship skills and confidence as children grow is a big advantage for them. They'll carry those skills into adulthood, and the possibility of them having that next groundbreaking business idea is real. The Life Hub's 15th module is goals. With the goals module, children create savings plans and goals for a big or small ticket item with just a few steps, whilst learning the benefits of letting their money grow instead of spending it all as soon as they get it. The Life Hub's 21st module is Life Academy. The Life Academy module is a powerful utility that provides children with a far-reaching library of curated knowledge-based learning resources and content using financial and business courses, life coach apps, educational apps, instructional videos, digital books, and resources that are all focused on money, finance, and business. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed this presentation on the revolutionary Life Hub Learning Center.